So okay guys, today's video is going to be more or less a informative lesson on history than a video or tutorial on how to do something. Now with that said, don't let this fool you. I will still be showing you guys how to do something rather cool and or potentially dangerous to your system. However, with that said, what I'm about to talk about today is why you can't name a folder cant on Windows. Now, there are actually many different words you can't put in as a folder name. Cant is just the one I know off the top of my head. However, there's a very specific reason as to why you can't do this, and it dates all the way back to the era of MS. Well, was it DOS, I'd like to say? Anyway, it goes back pretty far, and it goes back to when Windows used to not work with folders. It used to just be a system of files, and you would type a command in to launch it, and one of the commands were, well, cant. And the way these commands ran is they ran kind of in syntax as a directory, so in a way, it's for backwards compatibility is what I'm trying to get at here. They kept these words blanked out, so you can't fill them in as a folder name. They do this for backwards compatibility reasons as well as for security reasons. You don't want to type a name in which may actually cause harm or damage to a running system already on the operating system. But yeah, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do exactly the opposite of that. Today I'm going to be showing you how to actually put a folder called cant on your system and what to do if you accidentally do so. Now, if you were to actually get a folder on your system called cant, I will do this just by making a folder called cant in Linux and then copying it over via FileZilla onto my main host PC. Now, one thing you'll notice is FileZilla has some flaws. It shouldn't let you do this, but in the end it does, and it will actually leave some very bad side effects on your main PC once you get that cant folder onto the computer. The first thing you will notice is you can't actually open the folder. It reads as 0 bytes even if you store pictures inside the folder, and the most pressing matter is you can't delete the folder once it's on your system. Well, at least not natively. If you try to do it with the right-click method, it won't work, and if you try to do it with that in command line without some special characters, it won't let you either. However, if you do manage to get this folder on your system, I'll leave a command up on screen and in the description that will allow you to, well, delete the folder safely and securely. Anyway, I plan to use this little technical mishap in Windows to maybe hide some files on a Windows operating system that a normal typical user can't really delete or necessarily get rid of. I'm thinking I can make a very great prank out of this using something like a USB rubber ducky, storing the cant folder on another off-site system, and then transferring it over with some simple PowerShell commands or something. But yeah guys, that's basically it for this video. I don't really know what it's going to be called by the time this goes up, but I do hope it was informative, and I do hope you guys learned something new, and maybe I'll figure out something more to do with this knowledge in the future. But for now, I think I'm going to leave today's video off here. TTPK signing off. Peace. I've had some good luck with it, some bad luck, but with some tuning and some further changes along. Now from here we can click on our half-life.nro file that we threw.